2025 has been a year of all-time highs for the UAE real estate market. Let me walk you through the highlights of each month in case you were sleeping. January. Major UAE banks announced that from February the 1st, they would no longer finance the 4% DLD fees and the 2% broker fees. This forced secondary market buyers to have more liquidity instantly, driving a massive surge in January towards off-plan projects where you can save yourself the 2% broker fee. February. Ras Al Khaimah solidified its position as a global tourism hub with a $1.3 billion luxury waterfront project on Raha Island. This announcement following the Wynn Resort progress triggered a 15% spike in land prices in the surrounding area within the same month. March. In a historic feature, Dubai's real estate transactions surpassed 100 billion dirhams by March the 4th. To put this in perspective, this milestone was reached in late March in 2024 and mid-April in 2023, proving the market's velocity was at an all-time high. April. The Abu Dhabi Real Estate Centre announced that the capital's property transactions hit 25.3 billion dirhams in Q1. The headline story was the dominance of Sadia Island, which contributed to 5.6 billion dirhams alone as it became the Beverly Hills of the UAE. May. A mid-year report confirmed that investors in the UAE were paying a 60% price premium for branded residences like Mercedes-Benz, Armani, and Bugatti, compared to non-branded units. This solidified the lifestyle-led investment trend that dominated 2025. June. Sharjah made headlines with a 1.3 billion dirham project spanning 6 million square feet. The project signaled Sharjah's shift toward ultra-modern, sustainable master communities, attracting a new wave of commuter investors looking for value outside of Dubai. July. Defying the traditional summer slowdown, July 2025 became the highest performing month in UAE history for volume. Data showed that the influx of everyday millionaires, that's investors with $1 to $5 million, kept the market hot through the peak heat. August. To stabilize the long-term rental market for residents, authorities introduced new licensing and audit requirements for Airbnbs. This led to a shift in investor strategy, with many moving back toward traditional yearly leases. September. Major progress announcement for the Dubai Metro Blue Line and the passenger segment of Etihad Rail caused property prices in connected hubs like Al Jadaf and Dubai Creek Harbour to jump by 12% in a single month. October. Nikhil launched the first residential towers on Palm Jebel Ali. This move officially shifted the super prime focus of the world's elite from Palm Jumeirah to the much larger Palm Jebel Ali, marking the start of a new 10-year growth cycle. November. Coinciding with the Big Five event, new mandates were discussed regarding mandatory green certifications for all new UAE developments. Leading developers began integrating AI-driven energy saving tech as a standard, not a luxury. December. As the year closed, total UAE real estate transactions were estimated to hit between 750 billion to 800 billion dirhams, with Dubai accounting for roughly 70%. The year ended with a 23% year-on-year growth across the entire federation. So that's your recap of 2025. Contact me today to start your 2026 journey.